Tritium self-luminous exit signs have disadvantages that need to be considered. Firstly, there is a limited lifespan. Tritium has a half-life of 12.3 years, which means its light output gradually decreases over time. After 10 years, the light output will only be 25% of its original brightness. Secondly, tritium is a radioactive material. Tritium is a radioactive isotope of hydrogen. While the amounts used in exit signs are considered low-level radiation, it still requires special handling and disposal at the end of its lifespan. Thirdly, there is a high cost. Tritium exit signs are significantly more expensive than traditional illuminated signs, making them less cost-effective in the long run. Fourthly, there is limited visibility. Tritium signs emit a faint glow that may not be visible in all lighting conditions, especially in bright environments. Fifthly, it is difficult to replace. Replacing the tritium capsules requires specialized equipment and trained personnel, adding to the overall maintenance costs. Sixthly, there are environmental concerns. Tritium waste must be disposed of properly to prevent environmental contamination. Seventhly, it is not suitable for all applications. Tritium exit signs may not be suitable for locations with high temperatures, vibration, or extreme weather conditions. Eighthly, there is limited customization. Tritium exit signs come with predetermined light patterns and colors, limiting customization options. Ninthly, there is potential for breakage. The glass capsules containing the tritium can be fragile and susceptible to damage during installation or handling. Finally, there is regulatory compliance. Some jurisdictions have specific regulations regarding the use and disposal of radioactive materials, which can add to the complexity and cost of using tritium exit signs. These disadvantages need to be carefully considered before choosing tritium self-luminous exit signs. Understanding the limited lifespan, radioactive nature, high cost, visibility issues, replacement difficulties, environmental concerns, application limitations, customization restrictions, breakage potential, and regulatory compliance is essential for making an informed decision. Evaluating these factors can help determine if tritium exit signs are the appropriate solution for a specific situation, or if alternative options would be more suitable. Each aspect presents challenges that might outweigh the benefits depending on the context. The gradual decrease in light output due to the half-life of tritium means that the signs will become less effective over time, potentially compromising safety. The radioactive nature of tritium necessitates careful handling and disposal procedures, adding to the operational burden and potential risks. The higher initial cost of tritium exit signs constrain budgets, especially when compared to traditional illuminated signs. The limited visibility of the faint glow emitted by tritium signs can make them difficult to see in well-lit environments, undermining their purpose as emergency indicators. The need for specialized equipment and trained personnel to replace tritium capsules adds to the maintenance costs and logistical complexities. The environmental concerns associated with tritium waste require responsible disposal practices to prevent contamination, placing additional responsibility on the user. The unsuitability of tritium exit signs for locations with high temperatures, vibration, or extreme weather conditions restricts their application in certain environments. The limited customization options of tritium exit signs can make it difficult to tailor them to specific aesthetic or functional requirements. The fragility of the glass capsules containing the tritium increases the risk of damage during installation or handling, potentially leading to leaks or malfunctions. The regulatory compliance requirements for using and disposing of radioactive materials can add to the administrative burden and overall cost of tritium exit signs. All of these factors need to be considered when evaluating the suitability of tritium exit signs for any given application.